On this day, I made this so easy, delicious, fluffy party donut. So I decided to record it and share with you guys since it was so simple to make. Maybe you will be interested. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena, and if today is the first time here, welcome. So I have my ingredients here and I will be introducing them to you whilst we are preparing the donut. Okay, so to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I have with me here my 4 cups of flour. I've added 1/4 cup of sugar, then a teaspoon of nutmeg, then 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So I will just go ahead and mix it very well. Then I will add 1 vanilla sugar. So mix this very well until it is uniform. We don't want the situation whereby you will see nutmeg in Navrungo, then the salt too will be in Togo. Yes, and please do not forget to add a pinch of salt. So I have my butter here, and that is a stick of butter. I will just add a tablespoon of sugar. You can actually add all the sugar here and you are good to go. Okay, in fact, I got carried out. I would have added all here, but I got carried out and I added the sugar to the flour. But whether you add it or not, it is going to taste very good. So I'm just going to add 5 eggs. Yes, 5 eggs, and then proceed. Thank you once again, and please, if you haven't subscribed till this point, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more videos, and I know you are going to love the upcoming videos. So after whisking, I will just add all the dry ingredients we mixed earlier. Okay, yes, so I will mix it very well. Then I will be adding the next ingredients. Now that we are done mixing, I will just add 1 cup of evaporated milk and mix very well. Your dough shouldn't be hard or it shouldn't be soft. That is the texture that we want. So this is how we are going to drop the donut, and you can actually bring it out from your finger tips. Okay, yes, so I prefer that one to the first one. So I fried some earlier because Joy is on my neck waiting for his donut to send to work so that he and his people will enjoy it. So I couldn't film the beginning because it takes a lot of time when filming, and I have about 10 minutes for him to go, and it's going to take a lot of my time. Okay, so when you drop it in, that is the third one I'm frying, and this is the outcome. It is ready. Let's open one and see how soft and fluffy it is. I just like how fluffy it is. Okay, so fluffy. I say it boosts some way. Oh my god. Do you know the little girl here ate about 8 of this at a spot? Then I was like, hey madam, you steady was as a woody at the and it was nice though. She was just enjoying. If you add some fun milk, it's so nice. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.